Hey guys, Mark here from Little Kitchen Big Food. Not in the kitchen. Today, I gotta tell you a little story, right? Real quick. Follow a bunch of different YouTubers, especially cooks. And about 6 or 8 months ago, I started following Nick GIOVANNI. Awesome chef. Love watching his videos. Love watching him work. And then I got this in the mail. It's from Knife Drop Studios. Let's get into it and see, because I didn't realize I got an email from Nick's team a while back saying, hey, you won something in the giveaway because you're a subscriber. And I was, okay, cool. So subscribing to channels sometimes pays off. And in this case, they used duct tape, you can see, to seal it shut. Oh my gosh. I have to destroy the box. But what they sent was this. All because I subscribed. So I'm not sending these to anyone, but maybe you should subscribe to my channel. Make it big enough, and maybe I'll do a giveaway like this too. In the meantime, I don't want to bust open the box like that, but let's see. Come on. Okay guys, this thing's pretty sick. I need to register my new knife. So you can see what it is there. Swilling Kanren Kiri, made in Japan. Yeah, this is a cool knife. Nick GIOVANNI. Go, if you're not subscribed to watching Nick, go subscribe and maybe you'll win a knife like this just for being a subscriber. Thanks, Nick. This is really cool. And cook, eat, repeat. Thanks, Nick.